Hello everyone, back at it again with another topic. Okay, so for today's lesson, we'll be learning the elementary grammar course, more specifically the proper usage of words like might, can and could in positive form. Okay, so let's try to dive straight right into some of the warm-ups. Okay. Alright, so we have the first one, say in English, I next year Japan. Okay, the second one we have I play piano. Alright. Next we have I swim young. Alright, so usually in English we use the word might to express possibility. Okay, this is usually something that we are not sure whether it is happening or not. However, there is a high chance for it to happen. Okay, there is a high possibility that particular occurrence might happen somewhere in the future. We use the word can to express no or possible to do something. Okay, there is some slight differences between the usage of might and can. Okay, usually we use the word can to express a person's ability to do something. Okay, next we use the word could. Okay, and could is usually the past form of the word can. Okay, so usually in this context we are talking about something that might have happened a long time ago. Okay, we can try to see the table on the next slide right here. Okay, we'll go through this one by one. Alright, so the usage of the word might is usually for something that is possible to happen in the future. For example, you have the sentence, I might go to Japan next year. Okay, the second one we have the word can. Can is usually to describe no or possible. Okay, again this is related to a person's ability to do something. For example, we have the sentence, I can play the piano. Okay, and then the last one, the usage of the word could. The word could is the past form of the word can. Okay, for example, I could swim when I was young. Okay, these are the key differences between the proper usage of might, can and could. Okay, let's look at the next slide. Okay, we can see some examples here. We have example number one, she might call you later. Okay, example number two, we have it might rain tonight. Okay, next we have I can see you. Okay, this one we have the example, she can speak 5 languages. Alright, okay, this one the usage of could, we have I could understand French when I was young. Alright, okay, this one he could play the guitar when he was a kid. Okay, so again related to the past time. Okay, past form. Okay, let's try to do exercise number one. This is fill in the blanks with correct usage of might, can and could. Okay, alright, so we have question number one, I blank space go to work next Monday, and we have in the bracket here possible. Which one do you think is the correct answer? Is it might, can or could? Alright, that is correct. It is I might go to work next Monday. Okay, possible thing for it to happen. Alright, so next question, this one, Mary blank space speak Chinese when she was a kid. What do you think is the correct answer for question number 2? Okay, so the answer will be Mary could speak Chinese when she was a kid. Alright, okay, next we have question number 3. Okay, Sean blank space play badminton tomorrow. Okay, keyword tomorrow. And we also have the word possible in the bracket. Which one do you think is the correct answer? Yes, that is correct. Okay, so the answer is might. Sean might play badminton tomorrow. Okay, next question. Henry blank space come later. Okay, which one do you think is the correct answer for this question? Okay, that is correct. It is Henry can come later. Okay, so this is ability to do something. Alright, next question we have I blank space finish my work in 2 hours. So we know that this is possible for it to happen. Which one do you think is the correct answer? Okay, yes, you are correct. It is I can finish my work in 2 hours. So it's possible for this person to complete his or her work in just 2 hours. Alright? Okay, next question we have Adam blank space speak Korean when he lived in Seoul. Which one do you think is the correct answer to complete this sentence? Alright, yes, correct. It is Adam could speak Korean when he lived in Seoul. Okay, so the keywords are here. He lived, ed at the back. So this is in past tense, past form. And that brings us to the end of our class. Okay, I hope you now understand the proper usage of these 3 words in the positive form context. Okay, make sure to do your revision at home, and I will see you next lesson. Okay, take care, goodbye.